Hi everyone, let's create some music for free. This is brilliant. Check it out. Can you believe it? AI just created this with a prompt. This is how you do it. Log in with your Google account, you're in, let's go. Link will be in the description, no worries, as always. Okay, let's first explore. You have some songs here, all you have to do is download them if you want them. But let's create our own. Here on the left you also have my music, this is where your created music will be. So let's start with the prompt. I love Sade, so I wrote some music that sounds like Sade. And this is what I got. I loved it, by the way. Tell me what you think. Then you can also upload a picture and AI will do the rest. Or you can upload an URL from a song you like. And this is what I got. So have fun with it, check it out. This is for free. You have some credits and they renew the credits. So now it's your time. I hope you like this video. Do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching and listening. So bye bye for now. I love this, I really do.